Hello everyone, my name is Blessing. I want to personally invite you for the Sound of Worship 5th anniversary celebration that's going to be taking place on the 7th of September 2025. It will be happening at the Lion of Judah Church, Bright State. I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful time of worship, thanksgiving, basking in the presence of God. You can check out the flyers for the necessary details. I am going to be there, and so I will want you to be there. So see you there and have a wonderful day. God bless you.